Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS Today. I'm giving you a sneak peek into one of our most requested and most exciting topics yet.
What if the next world war isn't fought on Earth, but in orbit above your head? The Cold War gave us a space race between two superpowers, but today, it's Space Race 2.0, and it's crowded. Private giants like SpaceX and Blue Origin are building rockets cheaper and faster than entire governments. The moon isn't just a dusty rock. Beneath its surface lies helium-3, a fuel that could power nuclear fusion. At its poles, frozen water, the key to rocket fuel and survival. Whoever controls these resources could control the future of energy. That's why nations are racing to build lunar bases, stepping stones to Mars outposts, and eventually, ownership claims beyond Earth. But space isn't just about science, it's becoming a battlefield. Anti-satellite weapons can turn off GPS, disable communications, and blind militaries in seconds. Many civilian satellites can be converted for military use. Yet there's no real treaty stopping nations from testing space weapons. The result? A sky filled with weapons hiding in plain sight. The law is stuck in 1967. The Outer Space Treaty says no nation can own the moon, but it never imagined asteroid mining or private companies. Today, countries are signing bilateral deals like the Artemis Accords, carving out zones of influence. Space is becoming a legal Wild West. Here's the danger. One major collision could trigger Kessler syndrome, a chain reaction of debris wiping out satellites, shutting down global internet, banking, even weather forecasting. Imagine Earth suddenly blind. That's why tracking 100,000 plus objects already orbiting Earth is humanity's most urgent mission. We are standing at a crossroads. Space could be humanity's next great commons, or its next battlefield. The question isn't just who will get there first, it's who will write the rules. So what do you think? Should space belong to everyone, or only to the powerful few?
Workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.